born for it, I was made for it. Working before I was paid for it. Ain't no finish line, I'm trying to race to it. I'ma run this shit after the tape torn. Can't be easing up, I keep the speed. I need that paper busting out the ring. I don't just love it, nigga, I'm a fiend. That's why I'm never running out of steam. And yeah, I'm the pastor, but I'm a heathen. I gotta get it.
Let's go. Six rounds of 400 meter under 3 minutes. Good run, guys. Whew. Fresh. Nothing special today, just as usual, full day of work. But yeah, I get to work in some cool cafes, meet some nice people, enjoy some good coffee for a fraction of the price in Singapore, which is insane. I think latte here, $1. Singapore, you'll be paying around $7, $8 if it's a nice cafe. And here it's quiet, good internet, good AC, and yeah, you just meet nice people in these cafes. Yeah, anyway, tomorrow a long day of work. I think it's gonna be a fun day. I think it will be my first time working with a high-end celebrity. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Could be exciting, could be stressful, but yeah, it's all part of work, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna enjoy it. Anyway, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna have a good night of sleep and yeah, get ready for tomorrow. Good night, guys. Guys, let me show you guys the main star of the show. There you go. He's the commercial king in Myanmar. Every commercial you see, you will see his face. Lu sông nó là dây bị. Good morning, Super Deal. Super Deal. Hello, Drip Man. Hey, đâu nào? Let it on in Nepal.
Let lâu cả rồi quên chịu đấy. Let lâu cả rồi quên chịu đấy. Dạ.
My dear. One of my favorite Burmese dessert. Look at that. Coconut and sticky rice base. So just in case you guys are wondering, basically come here to have free food and do some network. Here we go. So anyway, I've been wearing this whoop thing for a while now, and I'm gonna track my football. See how is it like. Seems interesting. One of the best fried rice in Yangon. Let's go. Arsenal versus Man United. Let's go. Yeah, Gunners, yeah. Last day of the production, so let me just bring you guys around. Time trouble. Time trouble. So currently everyone is late apart from this guy. He's on time, right? On time, right? Where is everyone? chip bị mẹ cũng xíu đó. Right, let me go around, introduce everyone. So this is our main cameraman. Yite. How's everything? Going on Sibira? So that's the actor. Kimala. Memorizing her script. This is actually the director, but he's also doing the lighting job. Okay, all in one. This is the most handsome guy over here. And we have a makeup artist. I keep forgetting people's name. Tanawe. Makeup artist. We have a script writer here. I remember his name easily because it's 9. Number 9, right? And Ama Palodale. I have no idea what she's doing here. Shooting manager. That's it. And then we have 2 kids right there playing PUBG. And one guy who's supposed to be shooting behind the scenes photo. But since we haven't started, he's just playing games.
Man, this shit is messing with my
Damn, smooth and white. Tattoo time. Oopsie. Here we go.
New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. Need no middleman, I'm the man to man, send it in. I like what I like, me, I know my rights.
This taxi driver just scared the shit out of me. He just walked out, start wiping. Well, heavy traffic, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Basically, it was a 5 intense day of, you know, commercial production, which we are gonna be using it for 6 months to 12 months, 6 to 12 months, and it was pretty crazy. The format that we use, we have, okay, so basically we came up with a posing guide for all the talents, 4 in total. And yeah, we give them everything in advance, and then when they are at the studio, all they have to do is come down, change the outfit, and then, you know, start posing one by one. We have a laptop standby on the side, just showing them like one after the other. So one person 60 poses, so yeah, 4 in total. So that's quite a lot of content for us to use, you know. That's for the statics. And the next 2-3 days we started shooting scripted video, which in fact we give them 1 month early, but I think none of them actually, you know, came prepared, so it took longer than we expected. It was a little bit tiring for the video shooting days. So yeah, I mean, I was a little bit disappointed, but there's nothing much I can do. We have to pay, you know, 50% deposit, and yeah, I think that's just the culture here. If the project is not that important, they wouldn't give, you know, their 100%. But even though we're paying them the same price as what other production will be paying them, but yeah, I think that's just how it is, and we just have to, you know, learn how to work around that. But yeah, it was a fun 5 days out here. Yeah, it was incredible, and I did with one of my good friend, one of my, you know, younger brother. I think for me, giving right opportunity to the right people is very, very important, like how people have done it for me, and now I'm in a position to, you know, give them the power to lead, give them the power to do stuff. And yeah, basically I was just there, you know, looking around, just giving them pointers, advice and stuff like that. I didn't really, you know, I wasn't really there to lead it, but I was there to monitor and see how they work. And then afterwards, then I talk to them like, hey, this should have been done this way, you're gonna have to improve from, you know, today. And I keep seeing improvement, you know, every day, so which was a good thing. Yeah, last few days there was a lot of people, quite crazy. One guy mainly just for script, one girl, she was there just for, she was like a shooting manager. She was there to make sure everything happens. Yeah, people bringing in lunch, makeup artists, quite a bunch of them. Yeah, and 4 talents. So, and a lot of camera crew. So it was a fun little project, and it was my first time doing this kind of big project. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I want to give a big shout out to SP Singapore boss Carter. Yeah, I think without her, I wouldn't have a chance to do this as soon as this. So yeah, a big thank you to her. And yeah, hopefully, I haven't really reviewed all the footages yet, but yeah, in the next few days. That's what I will be doing. But yeah, I don't want the vlog to drag too long, so yeah, thought I will come here to share with you guys how the process is like and everything. But yeah, fun little shoot, made some good friends, and hopefully we can, you know, keep the connection going, and then yeah, work together in the future as well. So yeah, that is it, guys. That's a fun 5 days that you just watched. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.